Welcome to my review of the Mindfulness app. In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into the features and user experience of the site. The Mindfulness app is designed to help users practice mindfulness, reduce stress, and improve mental well-being. Upon entering the site, you are immediately greeted with a clean, calming interface, which sets the tone for the whole experience. You can explore various mindfulness tools, from guided meditation sessions to breathing exercises. It's very beginner-friendly, but also has plenty of advanced features for those who are more experienced with mindfulness practices. One of the standout features of the site is its vast library of guided meditations. The app covers different themes such as sleep, stress relief, focus, and relaxation. There's a broad selection for people at all levels, whether you're just starting out or looking for something more specific. In addition to these, you'll find exercises to help improve breathing, which is an essential part of mindfulness and meditation practices. Another key feature of the site is its flexibility in session length. You can select meditations and breathing exercises that fit your schedule, whether you have just 5 minutes or an hour to spare. This makes it easy to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine, no matter how busy your day may be. The Mindfulness app also offers a customizable experience, allowing you to choose from a variety of voices and soundscapes during your sessions, which enhances the personalization and comfort of the practice. While the site is packed with useful features, there are some areas where it could improve. For example, while the design is simple and aesthetically pleasing, there's not much content for those who want more advanced meditation techniques or a deeper dive into the science behind mindfulness. Additionally, some users may find the free version of the site a bit limited, with premium content requiring a subscription. The mobile app version of the Mindfulness app offers similar features and is just as easy to navigate. It's convenient to use on the go, allowing users to take their mindfulness practice anywhere, whether that's at home, during a commute, or on vacation. The app syncs with the website, so your progress is automatically updated across devices, ensuring a seamless experience whether you're using the site on your laptop or the mobile app. Overall, the Mindfulness app is an excellent tool for anyone looking to start or deepen their mindfulness practice. It's easy to use, offers a variety of useful features, and is effective in helping users reduce stress and improve mental well-being. However, the lack of more advanced content or in-depth features may leave some seasoned meditators wanting more. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Your support helps me create more valuable content.